Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hawk with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm reviewing Rapid Mobile Commissions. This is a launch that is going live on July 25th, 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that's New York time, and it is being launched by Philip Johansson, Dan Kan, Bill Ang, Sid Red, and Saurabh Gopal. And many of those guys are actually my mentors, so it's quite an honor and a privilege to be able to present this to you. So this, in a nutshell, is a step-by-step, really full detail tutorial that will show you how you can do launch jacking. Launch jacking is exactly what I'm doing right here, where you will go and get your affiliate link, you will find good deals, get an affiliate link, you will create a bonus page, create thumbnails, create your whole presentation, upload it on YouTube, and then if somebody buys the product through your affiliate link, then you can get a commission. And this can be very lucrative. There are people who have been doing this just a little bit longer than I have, who are making hundreds every day, and some of them thousands every day just by doing this. So this is a blueprint on how it will teach you step by step how to do this. And the cool thing is this is done from your phone. So this is a little bit of a twist. This can all be done by your phone. If you have an iPhone, no problem. If you have an Android phone, no problem. The step-by-step tutorials will go in detail about how to do this. So there's even a case study here where a newbie makes $131 online every minute daily using free traffic, no computer, no website. Like I say, it's all on your phone. I've got demo access, guys, so we can take a look and you can see exactly what you're going to be getting and what you're going to be learning. I've got lots of bonuses as well, and the vendors have given me some bonuses to show you, which I will do in a minute. So guys, first let me just take you to my bonus page. So this is my bonus page right here. This bonus page is going to go down on July 28th, so you still got time to get some of these great bonuses, but some of these are time sensitive. The other ones you can still access beyond this date, but some I urge you, if you want to buy this, buy it sooner than later, because after 24 hours, once this product goes live, they will be unusable after that. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So Rapid Mobile Commissions, like I said, the newbie makes $131 online every day without a computer. As we say, it's with the phone. You've got 5 days and 20 hours as I'm doing this. So Rapid Mobile Commissions is a brand new method they use to take tiny amounts of time and turn it into big daily profit. Top marketers use this trick to multiply their profits while working much less time. You have never seen anything like Rapid Mobile Commissions before. All right, so we've made money literally with 10 minutes or less by using the phones. So no desktop required, just your phone, guys. Here's the prices and the upsells. I'm going to go into this in more detail later, but I'm excited to tell you about not only my bonuses, but also the bonuses that my mentor, Jono Armstrong, has allowed me to give to you as a way of saying thank you. I've even got my own bonuses down below that I'm going to show you as well. But the first bonus is called Goodwill. So this is talking about how you can have a free product. Okay, so if you put it on your front end, you can have a free product. So people will click on it, they can receive that free product, and then once they're in your price funnel, you can introduce them to a whole bunch of other products. Okay, and those you'll have to buy, right? So this works really well psychologically. So a lot of people will love, they'll feel that trust, right? You give them a free product and then you can see, oh wow, okay, cool, I got that, and then look at all these other products, nice, maybe I'll get that one and that one. So this is a story where Jono's partner Brendan Mace, he just wanted to do something nice for his birthday. He wanted to give some of his audience a free gift, and in the link he didn't even realize that he had some other offers inside the price funnel, and when he woke up he had made a lot of money from it. So this is taking that concept and giving it to you. So if you access this, you're going to have access to all of these all of these bonuses and giveaways that Brendan was giving away on his birthday. Okay. And the second bonus, guys, learn how to use ClickBank. So ClickBank is one of the big platforms that affiliate marketers will use. Okay, so when you learn about this video, learn how to use ClickBank, excuse me, you're going to receive 12 modules that go into really in-depth teaching. So of course there's an introduction, and then you're going to learn about landing pages, you're going to learn about ManyChat, email marketing, and the big niches that people are looking to make money on online, specifically like spirituality, fitness, health, making money online, relationships, blogging, email marketing, traffic, things like that. So all of these videos, all these modules are in here with many multi-videos inside. So you're going to learn a lot of valuable knowledge, and you're going to learn how to use ClickBank in addition. Okay guys, and how to use Instagram influencers. So this one thing, one of the downsides of the rapid mobile commissions is the lack of traffic. Okay, you need traffic first. If you have an offer, you need the traffic to link the two together, right? So I've got my bonuses that are going to help you get more traffic, and this is how to use Instagram influencers to help you get more traffic as well. So this goes into some different details about Instagram influencers. It also goes into some other niches about online business as well. Okay guys, and Nova, so this is what I was talking about with urgency. Access Nova and all the upsells only for the, I thought it was for the first 24 hours. It's only the first 12 hours, guys. So I really urge you to move quickly if this is an app that you think can help you, and I think it can help you. You're also going to get Nova. So Nova works with TikTok. So you all know about TikTok, I'm sure. Maybe you've never been on it, but I'm sure you know what TikTok is. It's the phenomenon, the 60 seconds or less videos that we see all the girls doing their dances and whatnot with. But it is a juggernaut in social media and advertising, but the advertising is crazy expensive, guys. So this found a little hack where you can get free targeted traffic in TikTok. It's going to show you how to do that, and there's also training in here as well as a way of saying thank you for using my links. So any of these yellow buttons here is going to take you to this bonus page, guys. So I've included extra bonuses that are only from me. Other people won't include these, but these are mine as a way of saying thank you, guys. All right. Guys, these are the vendor bonuses. So when you're also going to get all these vendor bonuses. So let me just show you what you're going to be getting here. You're going to be getting the access, my alternative to ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a very handy, very powerful app, but it is expensive, okay? So we're going to run you about $200 a month. This is going to show you how you can get around that, okay? Also, another bonus you're going to get is a Bing ads course. So a lot of people kind of overlook Bing, right? They just go with Google only. But Bing is kind of an untapped resource, and people can make a lot of money if you know what you're doing. And this is going to show you how you're able to do that. Now, the links aren't in here, guys, just out of respect. I took the links down. But once you buy the product, once you go through my link and buy it, or you go on the sales page and buy it, you're going to get my bonuses, and you're going to get all these bonuses with the links, okay? Next one is the 5 top email marketing tips. So if you're looking to do affiliate marketing or anything online, you'll realize that email marketing is very important, okay? So if you can connect and get more email subscribers, get more email addresses, that directly benefits you. This is going to show you the top 5 email marketing tips to do that. And the 4th bonus is $0 to $100 in 24 hours. And finally, the high ticket hero. So you're going to learn how to sell high ticket items. You don't have to sell as many to make a lot of money. So it's going to show you the tips on how to do that. And guys, I have my own extra bonuses as a way of saying thank you for using my affiliate links. So as you know, the rapid mobile commissions is specifically about using your phone to learn how to launch jack. Well, I have another bonus for you. This is how your phone can become your cash machine. So this is going to walk you through some ways that you can also use your phone to make you money. You don't need, obviously, a computer. You could be anywhere on the beach, wherever you want to be. Okay, right now, I think there's a typhoon coming right now. I'm in Taiwan, and it's pretty wet out there, so I wouldn't mind being at the beach. Okay, second extra bonus from me to you is boost your Instagram traffic by 10 times by doing this. So we talked about up above one of the bonuses about Instagram influencers, right? Well, this is going to show you how you can boost your traffic. Okay, it's about making a landing page using your pixels to create get people going from your landing page to your sales page. Okay, so if you have this information plus the information with the other bonus about the Instagram influencer, you'll be really locked in to help bring a lot of traffic, bring a lot of eyes on what you're talking about and your products. Okay, and finally, guys, so we talked about Nova, right? Nova taps into free targeted traffic. Well, this is the TikTok holy grail. All right, now it's not meant to be religious, it's just meant to be that this is the all-encompassing guide that you're going to need to learn everything about TikTok. So it's going to walk you through from the very basic things like how to set up an account, how to make compelling videos, talks about advertising and all kinds of things. It is very, very in-depth. So with Nova and this combined, you're going to be rock solid in the TikTok area and you'll be crushing it. All right, again, that's a way of me saying thank you. So guys, when you purchase it, it's going to take you to this blue bar right here. You just click on that and then you'll have access to all of the bonuses that I have just talked about. Now let's get into the demo, guys. So here's the dashboard. So we've got the pro version, the done for you money makers, the traffic mastery, unlimited traffic, and the resale rights. So these are all the upsells, okay? But this is what it's going to look like. So we have a welcome video, $47,000 in 7 days, a welcome by Dan, an intro by Bill, an overview, tools required for iOS. So if you have an iPhone, that's what you're going to follow. If you have an Android like I do, that's what I'm going to follow. And then it's just going to take you step by step of what you do in the launch jacking methodology to be able to make nice commissions all from your phone. It's not exactly complicated stuff, but there are a lot of moving parts, and these guys really go into detail about how to show you. So if you try to do it on your own, you're probably going to be in the weeds, guys. So this is very handy. So it's going to show you, for example, getting approval and review access. Okay, making the review, which is what I'm doing right now, creating a thumbnail to post it onto your YouTube or wherever you want to post it, and then you upload it, your conclusion, and a case study. So there's Bill, that's one of my mentors right there. And guys, extra bonuses. So you can make $500 per YouTube video right there. That's a bonus that you're going to get as well, guys. So let's go into the prices, and then you're going to learn more about the pro version and all of these other upsells, okay? Okay, so here's the funnel here. So the front end, guys, is everything that we just talked about. Access the powerful rapid mobile software and training modules. Now, number one is the advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert. So just some more tips, some more strategies to be able to straighten that learning curve a little bit faster. Number two, virtually a done-for-you setup of the system. Get all the done-for-you campaigns you need to basically plug into the front-end system. Cut your work time by 10 times and starting profit even faster, guys. So these are really handy. Doing launch jacking is a really handy way to make money, but it is time consuming. I'm not going to lie on that. If you can get done-for-you campaigns, in my opinion, that is something that is well worth the money because you will save a ridiculous amount of time. I like this number two upsell. The traffic mastery, this is basically an all-in-one solution for all your traffic needs. Dan teaches you how to leverage the hottest social media platforms and drive as much traffic as you want. Now, I've also given you some information about two of them with Instagram and TikTok, right? Okay, unlimited traffic allows you to put your pixels on their sales pages and have a digital email list. So guys, we talked about email lists. If you're in affiliate marketing or anything online, you're looking to be able to get those emails, all right? And the reseller rights, you can sell this and get all the commissions. Okay, so here are some benefits you might be interested in getting. So the brand new money making system, 100% proven method, newbie friendly, step by step, no email list, no computer. Everything you need is in your pocket. And again, you're going to get all these bonuses. You're going to get my bonuses. You're going to get the vendors' bonuses. So you're getting a lot of value for this price, guys. The front end is only $12.95. You're going to get literally thousands of dollars of bonuses if you decide to do that. Okay. Now, let me just take you, before we go, let me just take you to the sales page here. Now, a lot of the information that I've talked to you about is already in here, so I don't want to spend a lot of time going in here. It's just talking about if you're frustrated, you're not making money, this is the way that you can do it. So it's got some proof here. Okay, talked about all this stuff before, and you can look at this again when the product goes live. You can look at this in more detail. Okay, so number one, so there are two reasons why we call this rapid mobile commissions. We like it fast and 100% duplicatable method. Excuse me, it's been a long day. And we're also going to take you down. We're going to just look at the bonuses one more time. So direct VIP support access to the creators, exclusive behind the scenes look into how we made $43,000 in 7 days. So these are extra bonuses on top of the bonuses that they're offering. Free high ticket training worth $2,000. Unfair advantage in business and life custom training. Okay, they got bonus 4 2 times. This is bonus 5. Instant approval to promote rapid mobile commissions. All right, and there's a 30-day money back guarantee, everyone. So guys, you're gonna get all this stuff, value of over $7,000 plus all my bonuses, which are gonna equal over $2,000 for $12.95, just the front end. And I like, these are Phil and Dan, two of the guys that created this. Like I say, guys, I like the front end, of course, but I like this one, the done for you setup. If you can save a lot of time, as the saying goes, time is money, and these little nitpicky things, they can drive you crazy sometimes. So if you can get it done on autopilot, I highly recommend that, guys. So that wraps up my review on rapid mobile commissions, everyone. I want to thank you again. You're going to get all these bonuses. You've still got 5 days plus, almost 6 days. And if you like this product, I would love it if you could use my affiliate link. I put some extra bonuses in there just as a way to say thank you. And this will be in the description below, and if you want to watch this again, by all means. And this is Kieran Guy Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be back very soon with more great reviews and tips. Thank you.